Algebra is useful for modeling the world around us because it lets us use letters or variables to represent unknown numbers and allows us to write mathematical equations and formulas that are used every day in the trades and other fields. The power of algebra is demonstrated when algebraic equations are used to solve for the unknowns. Think about this. You have a bag of nails. Your friend grabs a handful of 16 nails out of the bag. And you count the number of nails left in the bag, and you find there are 32. So how many nails did you have to start with? Well, you probably found the answer quite easily. It's 48, but you may not realize that you used algebra to solve it. The number of nails you started with in the bag was unknown, so let's use the letter N to represent the original number. You started with N nails, and your friend took 16, which left 32. So think of the problem like this. N minus 16 equals 32, therefore N is going to be equal to 32 plus 16, or 48. That was a pretty simple example, but algebra can be used to solve for unknown numbers in many situations. Here's another example. On a housing project, a carpenter is told that the length of any deck he builds is to be 5 feet longer than the width. An equation can be used to show the relationship. L equals W plus 5. If the carpenter knows that a particular deck is going to be 10 feet wide, then the length can be calculated as follows. L equals W plus 5. We know that the width of that particular deck is 10, so plus 5. So L is equal to 15 feet. Here's one more example. An electrician uses Ohm's law, which is I is equal to E divided by R. I is the current in amps, R is the resistance in ohms, and E is the electromotive force in volts. If the current, say it's 5, and the resistance, say it's 10, are known, then the electrician can solve for the unknown variable E. So algebra can be used in lots of situations to find the value of an unknown quantity.